Hello my dear students, I hope you are all doing good. Welcome to your geography class. We are doing chapter Africa. This is video 3. So let's start. Location of Africa. Africa is triangular in shape. Atlantic Ocean lies to the west of Africa. Indian Ocean lies to the east of the continent of Africa. Mediterranean Sea separates Africa from Europe. Dear students, on the left hand side I have provided you with the map of Africa. Please find out these water bodies on the map: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Mediterranean Sea. You can pause the video to find it out. Let's continue with location. The prime meridian passes through Accra, which is the capital of Ghana. Ghana is a country in Africa, and you can see a vertical red line which is a prime meridian. It is a 0-degree longitude. The equator divides the continent into two parts. It passes through Libreville, Congo, Uganda, Kenya, the Democratic Republic of Congo and Somalia. So these are the countries through which equator passes. Dear students, on the map of Africa which is provided to you on the left side, try to locate prime meridian and equator. Let's continue with our next topic, strait and isthmus. First look at the diagram on the left hand side. It is a diagram of strait. You can see there is two land masses and in between there is a narrow pass which is strait. On the right hand side is the diagram of isthmus. It is a narrow stretch of land which is separating two water bodies. So a strait is a narrow passage of water which separates two land masses. On the other hand, an isthmus is a narrow stretch of land which separates two large water bodies. Difference between strait and isthmus. First, strait. A narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies and separating two land masses. Example, Strait of Gibraltar. Isthmus, a narrow passage of land connecting two large land masses and separating two water bodies. Example, Isthmus of Suez. Dear students, this is a map of Strait of Gibraltar which separates the continent of Europe from Africa. The countries which it separates is Spain in Europe and Morocco in Africa. You can see in the map that Strait of Gibraltar is shown. It joins the water bodies of Atlantic Ocean with Mediterranean Sea. Isthmus of Suez. The Isthmus of Suez connects the continent of Africa with Asia. It separates two water bodies, namely Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. But a canal has been built there called Suez Canal, which connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. This canal has much significance as the steamers or big boats or the ships can go directly from Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea. It decreases the distance between the continent of Europe and Asia. Dear students, here is an activity for you. Look at the pictures carefully. Identify which one is the isthmus? Left one or the right one? You can pause the video to answer. Let's move to next topic, Africa political divisions. Population of Africa is 1.3 billion people. This population data, dear student, is according to 2018. The one given in your book is old. Please listen to me very carefully. The data given in your book is old. I have provided you new data which is according to 2018. So the population has been increased. Now the population of Africa is 1.3 billion people, which accounts for 16% of the world's population. In your book it is written it accounts for 10% of the world's population, but now it accounts for 16% of the world's population. Please note it down. Least densely populated nations are Namibia, Botswana and Libya. Dear students, find these countries on the map. The map is given in your book. High population density. There are two countries which have very high population density in Africa. These countries are Rwanda and Burundi. Also find these countries. Dear students, you have to locate all the countries of Africa on the map. Dear students, here is the countries of Africa. You must learn the name of the countries of Africa and you have to locate them on the map. Please use more than one map, as there are 54 countries and you have to mark each of them. You can pause the video to take help. Last but not the least, homework. Read the chapter, as questions will be asked directly from within the chapter as well as the exercise. Draw the diagrams of strait and isthmus in the geography notebook. Locate the countries on map of Africa. You can use more than one map and keep distance between the countries to avoid the congestion. That's all for now. Keep watching. Thank you so much.